Hello guys. Okay, this time I have different review product. Glisten dishwasher cleaner and disinfects. So normally we don't use our dishwasher too much. I use dishwasher as a dryer rack. I wash everything here and put here to dry it. Just leave it like that. Long time we used as a dryer rack, and you can see all the water marked. So almost 3 months it was like that, and it's a little dirty, you can see. So I wanted to try this cleaner. Let's see how it's gonna work. It says put this into the dishwasher upside down and use the hot cycle, regular one. Let's see. After the done, we will keep going. This is the situation. Not easy to clean. Yep, let's see. Okay. Dishwasher, sorry, not washer machine. Dishwasher. Finish the cycle. Let's open. Still, you can see all the water spots. So it's okay. Maybe one or two times more I need to do. Let's see how clean. So still, here's the dirt. That's okay. It's not perfect. One more time I will try, or I'm just going to wipe it. That's it. And here's the thing. Yep. It's okay product, not perfect.